Hey ladies, I'm gonna do a Revlon unboxing because you already know they're bankrupt. They're going bankrupt and it sucks because it's one of the first makeup brands that I've used. So I'm kind of little, not sad, but like, it sucks because of the nostalgia and then the memories. So I had to buy a few things of when I used to buy when I was in high school, which was like around 2012, 13, those years, 2011. So I'm gonna start with the lipstick that I bought for when I was in high school, which I don't think is the same shade because the color, when I looked at it, is not the same. It was more like a pink, magenta, purplish, bright color, and it kind of looked like the shades Nicki Minaj would wear, like back then when she would sing super bass and all of that. So those kind of made your teeth look yellow, remember? So yeah, I think this is the name, that's why I got it. It's called Primrose 668. So this is really light compared to the shade that I remember it was back then, unless they changed it or it's my brain that thought it was brighter. I don't know, but it's like a baby pink. I remember it was more mauvey, purplish. This is way too light. I don't remember. Maybe it is and I'm just tripping because it's been like a lot of time. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna swatch it at the end. So the other reason why I bought makeup from Revlon is because in TikTok it's been trending that, Selena used to wear this lipstick in her 93 Astrodome when she was wearing like a hat, everything black, and it was like a pinkish bright shade like with shimmers. So I got it. I was like, I need to buy it. So it's this soft silver rose and 430. This is a pearl finish. The other one was a cream finish. So this one has more shimmer, and let me tell you, the shade is really pretty. It's bright pink but shimmery. Wow, I love the shade, but this one's harder to pull off, I think. And I was surprised it was still in stock because everything you show on TikTok, it goes by fast, and I wanted to get another one for backup in case they just stopped sending it, but I wanted to give chances to other people that want to buy it, because it's Selena's icon lipstick, like why not? And the other ones she would use is the MAC ones, which I used to get in high school as well, but I don't have it right now. But I'm trying to buy it now again. So yeah. So I also wanted to buy the Megan Thee Stallion Big Bad palette, but it was sold out. I was like, no, why? I wanted it so bad as well, but oh well. So instead I bought other two lipsticks and a shadow. So I'm gonna start with this lipstick called Rose Velvet. It's in the shade 130 cream finish. So it's like a brown nudish everyday shade, which I love browns. I love mauves for everyday instead of pink for me. I don't know, and it's easier to pull off, but it's really pretty, so I'm glad I chose that one. And then another one was a mauve shade. It's called Mauvy Night 473, and it's a cream finish as well. All of them are except the Selena's lipstick. So yeah, this is more like a brownish mauvey tone. It's still really pretty. So, and I'm gonna use the mauves more, this one and the brown one more, because they look better on Latinas. Personally, pink lipsticks are hard to pull off for us, or for me, and other Hispanic Latinas lady experience it. So I know. So the next thing is kind of sad. The palette broke. I wanted to get the mauve palette, the purple palette, but they were out of stock. A lot of them were. Like, I'm just gonna buy a classic everyday palette. So it's just brownish with white and shimmer, but it broke. So I'm gonna try and do a look inspired by this, recreating this side, and it's in the shade 555 Moonlit It's really small. It's right here. I'm not gonna return it because it's a whole hassle. They took forever. Because whenever I bought something, they email me. They're like, "This is out of stock. Choose another one." And I chose another one, and it was still out of stock. I was like, you know what? Just give me the bag on list, because everything was out of stock. Like, just few palettes were left. Which I'm surprised that the lipsticks were not out of stock, but these were. I don't know, but that means they're probably really good. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. Yeah, I wanted to get a Kylie lipstick dupe when she was like when she was a teenager, I think, 'cause she would use MAC Velvet Teddy, which was like a brownish nudish, and Revlon had a dupe for it. So I was like, I'm gonna get it, but it wasn't in stock or sold at all. So I was like, that kind of sucks too. So I didn't get to things that I wanted, but it's okay. Maybe in stores, I don't know. So yeah, in case I want to support, they're going bankrupt, so try and buy just at least one thing, you know, help the brands, the beauty community, and all that. So I'm gonna swatch it now. So yeah, I'm gonna start with Primrose, the lipstick I would use in high school. Which, oh yeah, I wanted to get the minted nail polish I would use as well, and the coral lip gloss, which they didn't have. I don't know if they discontinued, which sucks because I'm not old. I've been in high school over almost 10 years, 8 years. I'm not. I don't know why it's not in stock, but whatever. So I'm just gonna swatch lightly. I don't want to break it. I hardly use lipsticks. I use liquid lipstick, so it's a pretty. I'm gonna try and swatch it. Okay, it still has the same scent, and the formula is softer, I think. But I remember it was soft back then. But you see, it's a shade that is hard to pull off. I remember it was a little bit more brighter, more purple, easier for me to pull off. This is way harder. This doesn't look good on me. Pinks don't look good on me. I know. So back then I wouldn't use lip liner, just lipstick. I wouldn't overline. So this is how it looks on my small lips with fair skin tone, dark hair. In case y'all don't wonder how would it look, don't buy it. Is unless you have like a lip liner or a lip gloss to balance it out. It's hard to pull off. I don't know why I would wear it back then, but yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Okay, yay, the exciting lipstick, the iconic one Selena wore. So it looked really good on her. So let's see how it looks on my fair skin tone. So I'm gonna swatch it here. Okay, it's really pretty. It's bright and shimmery. The lighting sucks, but you can see it's more iridescent. This one's matte. The other one, this one has shimmer. So I'm gonna swatch. It's really shimmery. I'm scared to mess up because I don't have lip liner. So yeah, this is shade you see is really bright and shimmery. It's really pretty, but it's hard to pull off as well. But this is how it looks. It's still really pretty. Wow. I just hope Revlon doesn't stop selling it because it's iconic. Like, imagine if I run out, I'm gonna be sad a little bit. Like, no, but I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, this is the next shade swatch. This brownish nude. This is gonna be my favorite one, I think. So I'm gonna swatch. Yeah, it's like my lips, but better shade. It looks not that far from my lip shade. So, well, I have small lips. I haven't used lipstick without lip liner, so I'm not used to lining it like that. It's hard. As you can see, it's pretty. It's like an everyday shade. I would wear this every day. It's pretty. I like this. Okay, the last lipstick is this Mauvy purpley color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it now. So yeah, this is another pretty everyday shade, but this is more like purplish cool tone. So maybe not as easy to pull off as the other one, but it's still really pretty. So I'm gonna try and open the palette now. So I try to fix it. I don't have alcohol, so I don't know how to fix it, but these two broke. These are in perfect shape, so I'm gonna try and swatch them like that. So I'm gonna start with the white shade. Oh, it's like a white shimmer. It's really pretty. Oh, I'm gonna love that one. So I'm gonna swashy this. There's a hair. This goldish one. Shimmer. Ooh, it's pretty. Gold shimmer. I'm gonna like that one. So next I'm gonna swatch the brown, this one, the lighter brown. It's all crumbled up. So. Oh, it looks pretty dark and shimmery. So now I'm gonna swatch this darker one. And it's cool tone but dark. It looks like the same. Oh, yeah, I can't really tell the difference. They all look like shimmery. Yeah, I don't like the shades. They're boring, but it's good for every day, but they're not matte. I don't know. I wouldn't buy this, but it's good for nostalgia, I believe. I don't think I would use their shadows back then. I don't think. Only their lipsticks, lip gloss, nail polish. Can't remember. I think that was it. So yeah, that concludes this video. Maybe I'll do a tutorial using it next time. I don't know, we'll see. But I hope y'all liked this video. I thought it was cool and fun. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.